In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your ankle inversion. I'm going to be doing this body weight and I'm also going to be seated for this demonstration. So what I want you to do firstly is I want you to pop your feet in contact with the floor. You can do this with or without shoes on, and you are going to only keep your heel on the floor. Your midfoot and your toes and forefoot are going to come up off the floor. And then from here, you're looking to point the foot in. So when we say inversion, the best way to remember it is in. You're pointing in towards the midline of your body. So if you watch my foot, this is inversion, where I'm pointing the foot in. A lot of people do cheat. So for example, let's say someone had poor inversion. They might get to here and then they might move the knee and the hip to give an illusion that they're doing better inversion. So I like to say to patients or clients, pop your hands on your knees, make sure your knees don't move and it's just the true ankle movement. So that would be my ankle inversion. You can either do this on one side or you can do it with both sides at the same time. So here I've got both heels in contact with the floor, my midfoot and forefoot and toes are completely off the floor. And then from here, I'm going to come in, back out, in, back out, and you'll notice my knees aren't moving as I do this. That's how to work your ankle inversion in a seated position.